If you're praying for a change that seems impossible, don't scroll. This is for you. Mark 11 verse 24, Therefore I say unto you, what things soever ye desire, when ye pray, believe that ye receive them, and ye shall have them. Matthew 21 verse 22, And all things, whatsoever ye shall ask in prayer, believing, ye shall receive. Luke 1 verse 37, For with God nothing shall be impossible. Jeremiah 32 verse 27, Behold, I am the Lord, the God of all flesh, is there anything too hard for me? 2 Chronicles 20 verse 12, We have no might against this great company, but our eyes are upon you. James 5 verse 16, The effectual fervent prayer of a righteous man availeth much. Hebrews 11 verse 1, Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Romans 4 verse 20-21, He staggered not at the promise of God through unbelief, being fully persuaded that what God had promised, He was able also to perform. Ephesians 3 verse 20, Now unto Him that is able to do exceeding abundantly above all that we ask or think. Psalm 66 verse 19-20, God has heard me, He has attended to the voice of my prayer.